Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a digital sign on a PDF file or on the image using your Mac. So first of all, you have to preview your file, and then we go to this menu here, and that is called Show Markup Toolbar. So when you click on this menu, you get several options here. So here you get sign option, click here, and then create signature. You can sign on the trackpad, or you can use camera. I'm going to show about the camera thing later, but here you click here to begin, and then you can create a sign. If you want to delete, just press delete button and you can try it again until you are happy, and then when you're happy, press enter. And then here it is. You can bring it here, you can zoom in and out according to your preference. That's it. You also can go to camera. So it says sign your name on a white paper and then hold it so it is visible to the camera. So that's how camera detects your sign. So the thing is, you sign on a paper, on a white paper, and place it in front of the camera, and then camera automatically detect your sign, and then you hit on done. So that's how you can also get your sign digitally, but I suggest you use trackpad. It's probably rather better. You can try it several times. So friends, this is how you can add digital sign using Mac on your PDF file or any image. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.